In this video, I will show you step by step how you can use your iPad as a second screen for your Mac. So step number one, what we need to do is open up our settings by going to the Apple icon in the top left hand corner, selecting System Settings. And then from here, if you click on your Apple account, the easiest way to do this is if you connect your iPad and your Mac to the same Apple account. As you can see here, I've got a MacBook Air. I've also got an iPad and an iPhone, so this will make it easier for me when using the iPad as a second screen. So all I need to do now, once I have got this set up right here, is if I go down and click on displays here, I will then be able to see the displays that I'm currently using, and at the side of this there is a plus icon. You then want to click on the drop down menu, select Ryan's iPad or whatever your iPad is called, and then what that will then do is you will be able to use your iPad, as you can see here, as a second or third screen. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can use your iPad as a screen on your MacBook.